Before start this video, I want to request you, please subscribe our channel. Good health happy lifestyle for more future health and beauty tips. If you watching this video on mobile, don't forget to tap the bell icon to get notification for our every new video. If you like this video, please share with friends on Twitter, WhatsApp and Facebook. So let's get start. Please watch this video till end for more benefits. Do you thinks about your shoes? How to clean and whiten your shoes, easy fashion hack. Or, do you thinks about your shoes? How to clean white shoes so they look brand new. Easy way and cheap. Whether it's due to personal preferences or professional requirements, white shoes are very popular. However, keeping them clean can be very difficult. Due to their light coloring, all they have to do is be next to dirt to turn dingy or yellow with time, if the correct precautions aren't taken. But before you go out and buy expensive products to make your sneakers look like new, try these homemade tips. Not only are they cheap, but you probably already have all of the ingredients in your home. The first recipe calls for 4 ingredients. 1 cup of apple cider vinegar, 1/2 a cup of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of powdered soap, 1/2 a cup of baking soda. In order to make this cleaning solution, start by mixing the baking soda with the apple cider vinegar. Rub this mixture on the dirtiest parts of your shoes, and scrub them using a toothbrush. Then, clean the rest of your footwear using a larger brush. After you've scrubbed them well, wash all of the shoe off with soap and water. Next, remove the shoelaces and let them soak in the vinegar and baking soda mixture. Let them sit for at least 20 minutes, then rinse them out with soap and water. While your shoes are drying, dust some cornstarch over them. After they're completely dry, shake them in order to remove the cornstarch. Finally, rub a clean dry cloth over them. If you have rubber or leather shoes, you can also use this other recipe. All you'll need is 1 toothbrush and some toothpaste. Squeeze the toothpaste on the toothbrush and scrub the whole shoe. You'll gradually see the color begin to lighten. When you think it's all clean, use a clean damp cloth to remove the toothpaste. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for get more videos.